Well, it's a miserable day. So, let's have a chat. Use or abuse? Well, testosterone is unfortunately abused an awful lot. It's abused in the bodybuilding community. It's abused in the private sector. It's not abused by the men's health clinic. We are encouraging everyone to adopt the same principles. Now, what are those principles? We should be working with nature, not against it. We should understand that our male androgen levels are predetermined by our genetics, physiology and requirements, and we can help facilitate that by adopting a logical and methodical approach to male hormone replacement therapy. So what is a logical and methodical approach to male hormone therapy? Number one, establishing a formal diagnosis. I'm going to use the word formal, but it's not formal in the way that you may think I'm talking about, because obviously the BSSM guidelines, etc., are not optimal. However, it takes a common sense approach and philosophy to realize what's actually best for the patient sat in front of me. So, establishing a diagnosis, looking for reversible causes. Now that can be done through blood work, that can be done at your new patient consultation. You will not necessarily get TRT if you come and see me. Why? Am I not selling TRT? No, I'm not selling TRT. I'm selling you 20 plus years of medical experience. I'm selling you everything that I've learned. Now, if you come and see me and I believe testosterone replacement therapy is in your best interests, I will prescribe it. But it is not an automatic, I booked an appointment with the men's health clinic, therefore I am going on testosterone replacement therapy. There have been a number of instances where I've said, listen, I actually don't think this is best for you. Not once have I had somebody turn around and go, well, I came here for testosterone replacement therapy and you haven't given it to me. That's disgusting. Well, you have to remember, I am not a salesperson. You are not a consumer. I am a doctor. You are the patient. I will always work with your best interests in my heart. I will always act in your best interests. You must appreciate that. So if there's something that you can do, if there's a reversible cause, I will suggest that you do that, because TRT is a big commitment. Can you feel amazing on TRT? Yes. However, it is a journey. Life is a journey. We've been over this before. It isn't a simple matter of giving you your protocol and saying, bang, there you go, you're golden. It isn't a matter of saying, now, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months down the line, you are now optimized, go forth. Go forth, but understand that if you implement a change in your lifestyle, your nutrition, your exercise, you may have to alter your protocol to account for that change. An obvious comment would be, say you lost 10 kilos. 10 kilos is quite a lot of weight. You know, your rate of aromatization would go down. So you'd have to, you know, potentially adjust whatever part of your protocol if you put weight on. And conversely, you know, you'd have to look at ways of reducing your aromatization. Just as an example. So it isn't a destination, it's a journey. So, use or abuse. Use is to restore your male androgen levels to within normal physiological parameters to optimize your physical and psychological health. Simples. The bozos, they've taken the fact that obviously testosterone levels have dropped, which they have, as an excuse to justify supraphysiological levels. Now, yeah, we haven't changed as a species. Unfortunately, we are sicker because of the pollutants, lifestyle things, issues, etc., etc. So levels have dropped. However, they haven't dropped to the degree that some people think they have. So the slightly compounding issue is the fact that we are obviously slightly prone to aromatization, irrespective of how healthy a lifestyle you lead. That's just a matter of fact. But it does not excuse or justify supraphysiological levels. So, the actual most interesting marker to say whether you are supraphysiological is not estrogen, because we are prone to aromatization. It's free testosterone. That is the marker that we should be looking at. I've got plenty of alpha guys, fighters, CPOs, security guards, prison guys, gangsters. I've got people from all walks of life. So they sometimes come to see me and they go, well, you know, doc, I need to be higher, look at the size of me, you know, I need to be like this sort of person. But they say that, you know, they're a bit anxious, and then their erections aren't very strong, and their free testosterone's on the upper limit of normal, and they go, look, doc, I need a higher dose. And because they trust me, because we have a doctor-patient relationship, I counsel them appropriately, and I say, listen, now your free test is 1.2. Let's just trial a dose reduction and give them the benefit. They do it, and they come back and they have a little smile on their face and they go, oh, doc, yeah, you were right. My anxiety's gone, my erections are better, my libido's better. Yeah, I may be huge, I may be a badass, but actually I'm still a human being. That's what you need to remember. Doesn't matter how big or hard you are, how tough you are, how alpha you want to be, you are still a human being with a genetic code. You can't deny or defy nature. You simply can't. We're already well aware that the further we get away from nature, the worse our physical and mental health gets. We know that. You know that. Come on. It isn't rocket science. So don't listen to that little devil on the shoulder. Listen to this one, the white wolf. Understand that you are designed by nature to be strong, You're designed by nature to have this, to be able to procreate. So why do you want to have high levels? Well, the answer should be pretty bloody obvious. You are a human being. So, use or abuse? Choose use, because abuse actually isn't good for you. So, you know, I do repeat this ad nauseum. You are a human being. Work with nature, not against it. Less is more sometimes. We will get you there. It is a journey, not a destination. The destination's death. So, understand that it's always a work in progress. Understand that you listen to the white wolf, not the dark wolf. Ta-da, guys.